Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to cancel iOS updates. So if you want to stop your iPhone from upgrading to the latest version automatically, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. But if the mission is to cancel iOS update during the process, this is not going to happen unless you reset your iPhone to factory settings using iTunes with your PC or Mac. So here, what I'm going to show you here is how you can cancel the iOS update on your iPhone from downloading or installing automatically. So you have to do everything manually henceforth. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to cancel iOS update, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Now once you select the general, locate software update and click on that. Then hang on for the iPhone software update to check whether there's an update available for you or not. So if there is an update available for you, you may need to download this update and then install it on your iPhone. But if you want to cancel updates on your iPhone, all you just need to do is first, if you have beta update here, click on that and then off beta update. Then once turn off beta update, hit the bar button, come here and click on automatic updates. Now once you selected automatic update, you'll be taken to where to automatically install your iOS update or download the iOS update. Now to cancel iOS update on your phone, just need to disable all of this. And henceforth, your iPhone will stop downloading updates when available automatically, and it will stop installing the update automatically. So the moment you see automatic update off, and if you're a beta user and you see beta update off, then you're good to go. So that is all you need to do when you want to cancel iOS updates on your iPhone to stop receiving the update automatically and stop your iPhone from downloading iOS updates automatically. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.